Yes, wonderful people. Today I'm going to show you a video that I took in Uhuru Park a month or so back, and this is during the Nairobi Festive or the grand opening of the Uhuru Park. You can see from the outside, inside, you have there is planes there. This one is not functional. And guys, just to remind you, we have rebranded our channel from Walu TCP to Pro Walu. So from here going on, you'll be seeing Pro Walu instead of the Walu TCP. This is for efficiency purposes. You can also these wonderful and beautiful pots. People are here sitting, and just know that the Uhuru Park is not the previous one. It's more beautiful, more yummy. Like I tell you, it's so wonderful and beautiful at the same time. There were some screens here and there showcasing the beautiful side of Nairobi and, just the management under Sakaja. There were some business people stationed at some key points. And you can also see the tracks, the pathways, their cab routes, so much beautiful. You can also see the grass. The grass side is really, really green, well maintained, and clean and green. You get that? I'm not into the tongue twister things, right? But I'm just trying. You get, and it was like full of people here and there. Some structures, corporates, here to advertise the service and product they offer. Some entrepreneurs also selling to people the products at specific points. Watok not a lot of fun for kids. In this scenario, you can also go and sit there and enjoy. In addition to that, you can see like from far away the city over there. The magical and scenery was just like wow. You can see also the other side there is some artificial water body, and I think it's called lazy water, which is a water body artificially constructed in a park. And we have a bridge in front of there crossing that water body. Okay, here and there. Yes, that's how it goes, man. From the farthest end, you can see some tall buildings of Nairobi. I can see KICC, you can see Parliament, I can see the pension towers. You can also see the offices for the MPs, which is the Parliament offices over there. And also in that water body, you can see people enjoying riding the small boats or toy boats or boat toys, whichever way you call it. Okay. There is a bridge here. You can cross to the other side. Just to enjoy the scenery, right? And also here I saw some pictures of Nairobi, very, very wonderful. You can see others are of insects, heroes like Kipchoge. There, the marathon guy from Kenya. You can see some of the big projects. over there, that is the expressway, the SGR, the roads, upgraded roads, the wildlife. Remember, Nairobi is just neighborhood to it's the only city in the game park. It has a national park just across. Okay, a lot of fun here you can see for kids, or if like if you want to do it, if you haven't done it while you're a kid, you can as well go ahead and just enjoy those moments. But in most cases, these are meant for the kids. So let me hope. Yeah, you can see the, how is it called? Let me find the name. Oh, I found the name. It's a merry-go-round. Is it? Let me find out in the comment section if I got it right. Yeah. Anyways, older people, teens, young people, and body of the any age can enjoy this thing. Yeah, you can also see here, this beautiful building here is not an office. It is a washroom area. It has bathrooms and and toilets. Okay, like with so many beautiful structures, monuments and whatsoever. Yeah, and also from this angle you can see Nairobi town over there. I told you that is now the upper hillside. I can see all the Mucho towers and so on. Yeah, there you go, a drone view of the same, that plane that you just like saw prior. There you go, the sky view of this thing is just like awesome and wonderful. You can see the upper hill on the other side, very tall buildings. Yeah, and from here you can see the Nairobi Express Way from a distance over there, and behind it there is a town that is now Nairobi town, and I can see KICC over there. I can see Nyayo House. I can see Nation Center, that one which is for the NTV. This other side, I can see Old Metro Towers, Brigham Towers, and so many other tall buildings. just enjoy as you see how wonderful and wonderful this thing was revamped. Okay, it looks wonderful, really, really wonderful. Yeah, and I think this is one of the beautiful sites or places you can come and hang out. Like today on Valentine's Day, you get the people you love and whatever. Yeah, and from here, I think you can see security personnel there. I don't know if it's just a NPS, National Police Officer, or a DSU or an army, but that one shows how the place has a very high security. No one can steal from you here. Um, no one can steal from you or beat you, or no chaos. For those who say in Nairobi there is theft, there's no theft in Nairobi. You can just walk here like freely without anybody asking you anything, as long as you don't cause any commotion, or rather you don't cause any trouble. You are free to walk freely, and those madness you have always heard about Nairobi, they are no longer here. Okay. And this is the beautiful side of Nairobi, the park where people come to chill like today. You get. For me, I was just alone, but you can see from there people are in two and two. I mean, they are in pairs. Okay. And this other side, you can just see like there is more and more designs, art, and wherever you get. In Kenya, there are so many artists, the artists. You get what I mean? And from there, I think you can't lack somewhere to eat. There's some good and beautiful food. You can see all over. You can see the sky, very wonderful, very wonderful. Okay.